Actually think it's movable though, right? Oh, yeah, I think I like the cushion.
That's style.
I don't know.
Hi.
I'm gonna find out right now.
Hi.
See, it's worked for me because I'm taller. Probably. Right? I mean, this is perfect. I'm liking it.
You're gonna be all right.
I may stay over and just fall asleep here in this chair. That's good. That's good. Hey, Luke.
You're just in all your glory in here, aren't you?
Hey, Luke.
Are you in all your
Hey.
glory?
Here, bring him over here.
Oh. He's like swimming out of my arm. You're like swimming right out of my arm. Oops, the face. He's so big.
Hey, Luke.
Hi. Are you trying to get somewhere and nothing's happening?
He is. He's trying to swim. Already. 8 months.
All right. You're so compelled. Did you get some water in your eyes?
What a great life.
Oh, you have it pretty good. I guess teething isn't so fun, but
Yeah.
you know.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I don't remember so much.
Let's try this. No, not so sure about that. Not so sure. Well, if I get out, he'll feel a little bit better.
Dave and Marla brought corn too. That's the other thing. Is that we have corn to fix.
Okay.
Yeah, he's like, can't eat and do that at the same time.
Squash all over me, and I'm smiling at her and everything.
Half of this, actually. You want to walk on the...
You're gonna walk on the deck?
Oh, I know. I'm like, is it? What's he? He's walking
Bring him
kinda
over.
Weird. Like, does it?
Bring
feel
him over
weird on his
here.
feet?
Ooh, this is not as soft, this grass.
This is your back workout for the month, MJ.
I know. I'm gonna
You know.
have to relieve you. It really is torture.
Oh, you happy boy.
Is that tickling your toes? Oh, you see the sprinkler? Hi.
Get out of the way, I'm going to the Audi.
Oh,
That's okay.
Who's in the barn? You want to look? Who's there? It's a donkey. Who's that? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Oops, that's not either. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How about this? This is one of my favorites. Is Maisie in the closet? Oops, not here. Who's that? Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. It's a yellow bird, huh? Let's see. You gonna look again? Okay. Is Maisie in the tree? Who is in the tree? Are you gonna go look? Wait, let's see who's up here. Oops, not here. It's a mama bird and her little baby. Okay. Did you see that? You wanna open it? Oh my gosh, again, so frustrated. Knock, knock. Who's there? Luke, who's behind the blue door? You wanna look? It's Maisie! It's Maisie! Surprise! Surprise! There she was. Hiding behind a door. There she was. Huh? Okay.